Hey there, glad you're here. We have a system of equations to solve using substitution. Where do you suggest we begin?
We can start with the fact that x equals -2.
That's a great starting point. Since we know x is -2, where do you think we should put that information to get started with the other equations?
We can substitute x into the third equation.
Exactly. We can substitute -2 for x in that third equation. Now we have an equation with two variables. Is there another substitution we can make?
We can also substitute x into the first equation.
Spot on. Now let's tidy up that first equation a little. What do you get when you do that multiplication?
It becomes 6 plus 3 y 9's 2z equals -19.
Perfect. Now we have two equations that only have y and z. We have a new system to solve. What's your next move with them?
We can isolate y, so y equals -5 minus c.
You're thinking about isolating a variable, which is perfect. That's our expression for y in terms of z. So now that we have that, what should we do next?
Now we can substitute y back into 6 plus 3 y 9 to z equals -19.
You're exactly right. We can substitute that expression for y into the simplified first equation. Now we have everything in terms of z. What's the next step to simplify this long equation?
We subtract 6 from both sides.
You are correct. That simplifies the right side to -25. Now what do you think we should do with the parentheses?
Distribute the 3.
Exactly. You distributed that 3. Now do you see how to continue simplifying to solve for z?
That gives -15 minus 5z equals -25, so z equals 2.
You're combining those terms and then adding, so we have -5z equals -10, and dividing gives us z equals 2. Great job! Now that we have z, what's the last piece to find?
Now we substitute back to find y, so y equals -7.
Exactly right, y is -7. So now we have all three, x, y, and z. You've solved the system. How does that feel?
It feels amazing. Today was really fun, and Pengi's Live Tutor is super helpful.
Well done on working through those substitutions.